Okay, we're at Vincent Corporation. It's the 18th or so of December 2023, getting close to Christmas. This is a KP6 screw press. Rotating cone on it. You see the discharge cone rotates. That'll strip the cake away from the end, prevent channeling. It has a fairly short L over D and the length of the screen divided by the 6-inch diameter of the screw. And simple 3 horsepower motor, hollow bore gearbox. We're going to be running the seaweed here. It's been shredded and a lot of free water in it. So we'll see what the press does. Oh, we've got a wedge wire screen here. I'm guessing these slots are about
015 to 017.
Yeah, it's 015. That's 15 thousandths of an inch, right around 400 micron width of the slot. You can see the screw going around there inside. That's what it looks like in the inlet hopper. And we're ready to start. And here we're closing the discharge cone. Pneumatically operated, that is air pressure on the air cylinder. We've set the air pressure relatively high. Did you say 40 psi, Rob?
I went down to 40.
Okay, so it's a little less than 3 bar. There goes the material into it.
Shredded sugar kelp.
And we got water coming out there. A lot of water coming out.
As soon as I see material, I will time.
It takes a lot of material to fill this press up. And that was actually pretty dilute material given the amount of water we're getting out. We'll see what happens. Okay, level is going down. It's going down medium speed, Rob. If it keeps going down this fast, we're in mid-range for capacity of the press. And we've got about as much as...
Alright, we're going to the full kelp now.
Okay, here goes our third pail of shredded material.
That was full. That's not shredded.
And we'll see when we can pack it in there tight. And okay, it's starting to open up the cone. Here we go. We're getting a little bit of pressed cake out here. Wonder if we're squeezing the solids through that. Okay, we reduced the air pressure considerably. Let's see. We've still got some material feeding through, and we're getting a little bit of pressed cake out here. Still squeezing quite a bit through that screen. Okay, Rob, you took the air pressure off the cone, and you can see a little bit of material trying to come out here. At times on something like this, we can adjust the cone just so it's fixed open, say 5 millimeters, something like that.
Now it's working.
And with a fixed annulus open, rather than instead of using air pressure trying to squeeze it, just using the compression of the screw itself.
Let's put just a couple of psi on it.
So just enough to snug it shut. Okay, Rob's putting some frozen pieces in here, and
now check out the side.
See what happens here. Okay, now we're pressing the cake out because we're feeding some material through. So here's this action is probably representative of what could be done on a steady state basis. a little bit of fiddling with the machine. And we've got a bag here, the frozen material we're shoving into the press.
It actually likes the frozen.
And it likes this pressure too. What pressure are you at?
2 psi, 3 psi.
Negligible. Okay. We're doing all the squeezing with the screw itself.
5 psi.
5 psi, 1/3 of a bar. And we're getting a good liquid separation here, and hope that's seaweed juice and not frozen water. The rotating cone's working, the stripper's working. You can see the ice is traveling, the frozen stuff is traveling down to the last third of the screen before it gets compacted together enough to start.
Try something higher psi.
Okay.
1 to 10.
Went to 10 psi. Okay,
10 psi.
Up to 2/3 of a bar. It closed down a little bit. Looks like we're still getting good through capacity.
They pushed it through.
What do we have here? Oh! Okay, you saw what...
It actually